Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to manually create accounts for your students with a username. This is especially useful for students who do not have an email or for students who have a lower level of English. So without further ado, let's get started. Once you have logged into your account, click everything at the top and click Classroom on the left-hand side. From here, click the class you'd like to add the students to. On the left-hand side, click the third option that says Manually Create Accounts. From here, enter your student's first and last name and create a username for them, and then create a password. Once you have entered all of the details, click the blue Create Account button at the bottom. A pop-up will appear letting you know you successfully created an account for the student and will give you their username and the password you created. Share this information with your students and direct them to ellii.com/students to log in. To exit out of the pop-up, click the blue Done button. That's it for this video on how to manually create accounts for your students. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii,